Hi, I'm Simon, and in this video we're going to look at setting up your Sound Devices 7 Series machine to be able to record 2-channel and stereo sources. Whether you're using a stereo microphone array, or capturing 2 separate instruments, or recording a dialogue of speech, it's important to know how to set up your 7 Series machine for the job. To start with, let's look at how to set up your machine for a 2-channel recording. This can be used to capture individual instruments, or 2 people having a conversation or an interview. Start by connecting 2 microphones to your recording device, and check the input switching is set to mic for both channels. You'll need to check the headphone mode and set it to AB in order to hear both signals at once. To hear each signal on its own, switch between AA and BB. Now check the track assignment LEDs. Microphone input 1 should be assigned to track A, and microphone input 2 should be assigned to track B. Input linking should be turned off. This will now give you 2 independent input gain controls, one for each microphone. Remember, recording with 2 channels will not only mean setting both input gain controls appropriately before recording, but you'll also have to monitor the level of each one during the recording. Here's an example of a 2-channel recording. Now let's have a look at how to record a stereo microphone array, like an XY pattern. This setup will be particularly useful for recording large vocal or musical ensembles where there are multiple sound sources. Once again, start by connecting 2 microphones and checking both input switches are set to mic. Check the headphone mode is set to AB. Now check the track assignment LEDs. Microphone input 1 should be assigned to track A, and microphone input 2 should be assigned to track B. Input linking should be set to linked 1, 2. The input 1 gain control now becomes the gain control for both inputs, and the input 2 gain control becomes the balance. Set the input 2 gain control at 12 o'clock or centered to give equal gain to each input. On the LCD display, the letter C will appear when the balance is centered. During sound check and recording, only the input 1 gain control will need to be adjusted to set the record level. Here's an example of a stereo recording using a stereo microphone array.
Bright,
Once again, thanks for watching this video and I'll see you next time. Bye!